loves! Tara, pasyal tayo dito sa Solaire Hotel at puntahan natin ang Fresh International Buffet. Solaire is located here at Parañaque City. Location-wise, Solaire Hotel is located in the heart of Metro Manila, so madaling-madaling puntahan. If you have family gatherings, reunion, anniversary, or special events na need i-celebrate, kapareho nitong ginawa namin ngayon, this is one of the hotel that I will surely and highly recommend. Here at Fresh, marami silang mga cuisine na in-offer. Like this one, ayan yung Japanese cuisine. Andyan yung aking all-time favorite, yung mga sushi, salmon, and ayan, mga maki. And kung sa pagiging fresh lang ng kanilang mga foods ay definitely fresh talaga. They also have this cold and cuts section. Marami silang klase ng mga cheese. Then, meron silang Filipino barbecue station. Ayan, yung mga paborito nating mga Pinoy. Ano pa nga ba? Lechon, diba? Western grill. Dito naman yung mga roast beef. Ayan. Mga barbecues, and super daming food actually na matutuwa at mag-enjoy talaga kayo. Another station is the Italian station. One of my favorites, dyan yung mga pizza, pastas, ayan, super nice yung pizza nila kanina na cheese and honey lang. And of course, Filipino favorites, merong laing, merong Bicol Express, adobo, they also offer sinigang, pansit, of course, hindi yan mawawala. At kung ano-ano pang pwede nyong makita. Ayan, meron din sila mga ensalada pala, by the way. Another station to offer is the Korean station. So, nandyan yung mga bibimbap, may mga soup din, at kung ano-ano pang pagkain nila, guys. Sobrang dami talaga. And the best station for me, of course, seafood station. Dahil nandyan ang shrimp, crab, oyster, tahong, fish, basta lahat nandyan masarap. Chinese station naman, of course, nandyan yung mga dim sum, siomai, may noodles. Ayan, the best pala dyan yung laksa soup. Binabalikan ko talaga dyan palagi. I-try nyo, a very must-try soup. A worth to try restaurant for me kasi napakaganda ng place, maluwag siya, friendly yung mga staff, very accommodating at magugustuhan nyo talaga dito. Speaking of laksa soup, ayan na. Syempre yan ang unang-una kong kinain. Ang sarap, nakakamiss. At syempre, ang the best part dyan, yung kainan. Ayan, kain tayo! Siyempre, habang kumakain, walang salita. Busy tayong lahat dyan. Ayan, hi sa mga friendship ko na mahilig sa buffet. At para sa mga sweet tooth, of course, merong dessert station. Alam ko naman na isa to sa mga hindi natin pinapalampas, 'di ba? May mga fresh fruits sila like papaya, apple, ayan, banana, pineapple, oranges, tapos meron ding mga salads, yan, super daming toppings ng salads and dressings. Super dami as in. Of course, why not? Meron silang mga marshmallow with chocolate fountain. Ayan, super sarap. Tapos, ayan na nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong iba-ibang klase ng cakes. May pistachio, strawberry, vanilla, chocolates. Alam nyo, kayo na nga lang talaga yung magsasawa. Meron din silang mga Filipino desserts. Yan, kaparoon yan yung nilupak. Tapos, suman. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dun isa eh. Basta mga Filipino desserts din. Ayan, nagpa-grill din tayo ng Brazilian steak kay Kuya. Super sarap ng steak nila dito, guys. 100 out of 10 as in. Sa dami ng buffet na na-try ko, when it comes to steak, hindi talaga ako masyadong fan. Pero ito talaga, as in, ang sarap, super lambot, ang juicy, wala akong masabi. The best siya. So, ito naman yung line-up ko ng pampa-high blood na foods. From lechon kawale, roasted beef, at basta mga pampa-high blood. Second round, kain tayo ulit. So, overall, buffet experience from Fresh, with their lunch rate of 1,999 plus 10% service charge kapag lunch and 2,999 pesos naman sa dinner because they offer unlimited lobster. So worth it nga ba ang kanilang buffet? Yes na yes, and I will rate it 10 out of 10. So after namin kumain, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami around the area of Soler. So meron pala sila dito na casino, and kung pagbabasihan ko yung laki niya ng pinaka-hotel, mas malaki si Okada compare kay Soler. Pero kung casino naman ang habol nyo, pareho namang okay. Again, if you want to celebrate special occasions, try here at Soler ang kanilang fresh buffet. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video and see you again on my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you!